Hi, today I will be making raw chicken with coconut water and cabbage. This menu is easy to make and tasty also. Okay, let's start together. First, I going to cut a cabbage. Cabbage I got from Siem Reap is organic from farm. Cut it into large enough pieces. After cut it, clean the cabbage 2 or 3 times. Make sure it is cleanly. And then I have one bowl chicken, but I need to use only one side. I use 3 pieces roughly lemongrass, 1 piece roughly powdered galangal. Now I prepare to make a sauce for marinating the chicken. I add 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1/2 tablespoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Then I marinate the chicken with the sauce. Massage the chicken with the sauce about 10 minutes. Next, before transfer lemongrass, galangal, lemon leaf, and cabbage. I prepare it into pot. Prepare cabbage into quickly, and then I put chicken on the cabbage. And then I add coconut water and I boiling about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I take off cabbage and boiling until evenly turn golden brown. I prepare boiled cabbage into a nice plate. Now raw chicken with coconut water is golden brown. And then I take it up into boiled cabbage. Raw chicken with coconut water and cabbage is tasty and sweet. And I used to eat with curly cabbage and chili sauce. If you have any idea, please write in the comment box below. Please subscribe from your cooking for more videos. Thank you.